Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the sleek low ponytail. So first step, I'm going to do her blow dry by taking sections. Sometimes you need to straighten the hair after the blow dry, but in this case her hair is already straight, so I will not do the straightener again after the blow dry. Some of the hair you need to do the straightener too. So for her I will do only the blow dry. And second thing, the hair is curly or frizzy, then do the very good blow dry, so that you can give very smooth look. In sleek you have to give very smooth look, and it should show shiny too. And if needed, do the hair straightening with the straightening iron. I took the section here in the side because her hair is naturally turning to the right side, so I kept the section in the side. And I'm using the wax for the baby hair here. In sleek look you have to use the hair wax so that you can set all the baby hair according to your client. You have to use the spray and the wax. In her case I really don't need so much product. As you see, it's already shiny her hair. I just want to set her baby hair so that it will give soft effect. And don't hesitate to comb it again and again. In sleek look you have to comb it very nicely to set all the baby hair, and even the hair you have to show it very neat. So don't be shy to comb again and again. It's your duty to comb it very nicely so that you will get nice effect. I'm setting here her all the baby hair with the spray, hair spray, which has a stronghold. It's very easy and quick. You can do within 5 to 10 minutes this hairstyle, but if you have the blow dry it will take little more time. As you see, I'm combing her again and again to set all the baby hair so that I can give the very good look. I'm applying her wax for her baby hair in her nape area. And to tie the hair you can use the rubber band along with the bobby pins. Hold the hair very nicely, don't leave the grip. Put as much as you want the spray and the wax. Don't use so much, it will be so much sticky. If needed only you can use. I took the small section of the hair to hide the rubber band here, as you see in the video, and I'm securing this one with the bobby pin. I sprayed little hairspray on the hair, which was I have to set. It must not show outside, and you can use the wax to set them. I'm doing curls in her ends so that her hair will her hair will look little healthy, As you see, her hair is very scanty, so I want to show it little healthier. So if you don't want to do the curls in the ends, you can skip this. You can leave your hair as it is, because you already blow dried your hair. No need to do the curly if you are not interested. It's upon your taste how you want to look, give your hair the effect. I like to give the curls, so if you don't want, just skip it. And we are done here. I'm just combing them. And second thing, I'm doing the back combing here, so I can give her little volume, and spraying the hairspray to hold it. Even you can do it if you don't like, you want sleek, more sleek, you can leave it as it is. So this is the final look you can see on your screen right now. It's so amazing. It's showing healthy too, her hair. So if you guys like my video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will not miss any upcoming new videos. Thank you so much for your love. Please keep supporting me. Thank you.